Hello YouTube, hi, this is Andrew again. Hey, so I'm basically starting a series on beginner's access on using the program if you've never used it before. Basically, I'm starting this off because a subscriber had a comment here that he's interested in learning access. I emailed him back, and yeah, he's a beginner and would like to learn. All right, so today I'm going to start teaching on how to make a table and how to edit the fields. All right, well, let's get started. Alright, so you already got your Microsoft Access opened up. So we're going to start off. Now you have other different options to choose from, including some templates. But we're just going to make a blank database for right now. Okay, I just clicked on a blank database. Let's call this company. Okay, so now you already started off. Now you got this table right here. Now what I normally do this is a lot easier. I go to the data design, it's up in the top corner. Click on that, and it's going to make me name a table. So let's make this customers. Hit OK. Alright, so first off, now see that little kind of key over there? It's called a primary key. I'm going to go over that a little bit later in the videos about what it is. And so it already has a auto number. And what a primary, well, I'll go over right now. So what a primary key is, it's a unique key and unique items, such as, like, for example, like your social security number. It's usually a number, like an auto number or some kind of random information. Like if you get a student ID or you get like a employee ID, it's like a random kind of number, which is important because you can't reproduce it. It's not like your first name or last name where many people would have the same thing. All right, so let's name this customer ID. All right, that's auto number. Now you can't. Auto number means it's going to generate every time you make a new field. I'll show you what a field is and when a new one pops up. All right. So let's make last name, and we're going to keep it as short text. But there's many different types of data you can use. Of course, you know what currency is, date and time. Large number, you got your number, which will show. Calculated, that'll be later on in video, another video. Okay, and lookup wizard especially. All right, so we're gonna leave this as regular field size, 255 characters. Means you can put 255 characters into this field. Okay, last name. Let's go to first name. First name, and it's gonna automatically go to short text. Address. Short text, and we could put a description here if you want. It's like it says, it's optional. Okay. Okay, and phone number. And let's make this number. Okay, and I'm going to keep this long integer. I'll show you the kind of differences later on. And there we go. Let's hit save. Go back to view. Alright, so immediately, after I get done entering this in, it'll show a number. I'll show you what happens when I get done with this. Say it's Smith. Jim. And phone number 111-222. Okay, so let's go to the next field. See how it already shows a number? It generated that. Make another one. Joe. Make it Joe Bob. Okay, there you go. Alright, so you just made your first table and you updated the columns. Now you see this is a column. This is a column. And this is a table. The whole thing you're in right now is a table. Okay. All right, well, let me show you the next video. And of course, if you want to close out, you can just hit the X. And you double click to put it back on. See? All right, in the next video, I'll go over, I guess, importing or appending tables. All right.